In this video, we'll demonstrate how to disable game invites on your PlayStation 5, helping you manage and avoid receiving unwanted notifications. But before we dive into the tutorial steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to manage game invites, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Method 1. Blocking the sender. Press the PlayStation button and navigate to Notifications. Find the person sending the game invites, possibly within a message group. Select their profile, navigate to the three dots, and choose Block. This action will prevent future game invites from this person. Method 2. Adjusting privacy settings. Go to Settings and select Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Privacy and navigate to View and customize your privacy settings. Choose Communication and Multiplayer. Adjust the settings to limit interactions through parties, games, and messages to no one. Method 3. Customizing notifications. In the main settings menu, scroll down and select Notifications. Locate Game Invitations and choose to disable notifications for videos, games, or broadcasts. You can manually view and accept game invites by navigating to the Control Center, then Notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support encourages us to create more content like this. For more tech tutorials and gaming tips, visit mediamagnet.business.